Hello everyone. I first want to thank Laszlo for sending me the link to the video you're going to see. The video was made by a YouTuber who goes by the name Mr. MBB333. You can find his channel here, and I'll leave a link in the description. Personally, I don't find his analysis intelligent, and so I'll forgo subscribing. I don't know much about Mr. MBB, but he is apparently into UFOs, and is a firm believer in heliocentrism and outer space, and that's what makes this hilarious. You're going to listen to Mr. MBB address several screenshots and video from the ISS and how these images indicate that there is some invisible UFO energy that has a hold of the Earth. Of course, my savvy subscribers will quickly see that Mr. MBB missed the obvious conclusion. Those lines are from poor video stitching by NASA as they faked the ISS. The lines are seams from when different videos are combined or stitched together, which should not happen if the ISS story were true.
Okay, here we go. The long, mysterious lines that are being noticed above the Earth, spanning across the oceans, almost as if something has a hold of the Earth, and the Earth is showing us via this very strange line, and in some cases, producing squares out over the ocean. Here's an example that was sent in by Tracy from December 11th of 2023 at 1:38 Universal Time. Notice the big mysterious line going through the center of the screen, and then it's intersected by a line here, creating what looks like a giant square. This is what Lisa saw the other day out of Arkansas, and this has been going on now for a few days. They're showing up randomly, and different people are noticing these mysterious lines. Here's another line that spans out over the Indian Ocean. See another square out here above the North Pacific Ocean. Here's that long line that spans across the ocean. Here's another view of the square when it kind of first entered the field of view, and it remained in the field of view as the space station was flying above it. So this was actually in the atmosphere according to the ISS live cam. We're out above the Indian Ocean, and here's another line that spans across the Indian Ocean. We saw this the other day. Tracy also noticed the same line on a different day. And going from the Indian Ocean out to the North Pacific, here's that line again in the North Pacific running vertically, and the one that goes horizontal is almost out of the field of view. So if that were some sort of a glitch, more than likely it wouldn't even be visible. It would have been long gone, but there it is. And here's another example, a closer view of the larger line that was spanning across the North Pacific at 1:39 Universal Time on December 11th of 2023. There it is, and that's the one that we just saw way up here as the space station was moving out over the North Pacific Ocean, almost as if something could have a hold of the Earth, some sort of invisible energy that we can't see, but it's showing up in the form of these mysterious lines out over the ocean. Back to the North Pacific. This line here spans as far as you can see down by Western Australia. Here's the line that was in the sky, and you're going to see the space station moving, and the line appears to be remaining stationary. So if this were some sort of a glitch, it would be moving with the camera and probably flickering on and off. That is remaining stationary, spanning well over 1,000 miles, quite possibly 2,000 miles. And then you're going to see the live cam turn off, then turn back on. You're going to see it turn off again. This video is around a minute long, and it turns off right there again. That is a second time it turned off, then turns back on again. This video is from December 10th of 2023 at 12:14 Universal Time. And there is a very distinct line, almost as if something is influencing the upper atmosphere of planet Earth, some sort of possible invisible energy that's creating this super bizarre, unnatural looking straight line.
It is photoshopped, but it's has to be. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be.